Now here is our next proof. What is written over there? That is Tillite. That is the next proof of this theory. What is Tillite? It's a type of sedimentary rock. In previous classes we have learned three types of rock. The first one is igneous, second one is sedimentary, and the last one is metamorphic. So sedimentary rock is Tillite, which formed from the glacial debris. That means the glaciated forms or the landforms of the rocks which is coming from the glaciated sedimentations, that is called glacial debris, and it's particularly notable in the Gondwana lands. Just now we have learned in the Laurasia and the Gondwana lands. Laurasia was situated in the northern part and the Gondwana land in the southern portion, where it indicates the extensive and the long-lasting glaciations. And this rocks is found at the base of Gondwana system, and it's significant in the understanding the past climatic conditions and the continental movement. So that two portions we can understand from the Tillite or the rock or the sedimentary rocks formation, that two things. The first one is the rock is found at the base of the Gondwana system, this part, Gondwana system, and it's significant in understanding the past climatic condition. How was the climate in our past? That we can understand from this Tillite. Its presence in similar formations across the multiple locations in the southern hemisphere. That means the Gondwana land in the southern hemisphere. So there is a talk about the southern hemisphere, including the Africa, Madagascar, Antarctica, Australia, and the Falkland Islands, along with the India, which evidences a shared glacial history, supports the theory of continental drift. So there were two others, different things, different hemispheres, where we can understand the Africa, Madagascar, Antarctica, Australia, and different islands were also included for the evidence, making the evidences of the glacial history. What is the example for this? The discovery of the Tillite in both India and the southern hemisphere locations like Africa and Antarctica, which provides a real world example. Which example they are providing to us? The similarities in the Tillites across the different continents and indicates that they were once the part of a single landmass. The single landmass was Gondwana land, and it experienced the similar glacial conditions. So which supports the concept of continental movement and the past climatic conditions. These two portions are the basic example for this era. What is the short pointers for the revision? That nature of the Tillite. How is the Tillite? The sedimentary rock, just now we have learned, and it formed with the help of glaciated debris. Significant location where it was in the southern part, Gondwana system. Indications of the past climate, yes, it's evidence of the extensive glaciated climate. And global distribution, that means it's similar to the Tillite formation in India, Africa, Madagascar, Australia, Falkland, and Antarctica Island. It supports for the continental drift theory, which indicates a shared glacial history among these continents.